In this tutorial, you'll build a premium Material 3 login UI while learning email, password, and phone text fields in Jetpack Compose. Open the Jetpack Compose project in Android Studio. Create a premium Material 3 login screen with a gradient background. Add a modern card container for the login form. Design the header with a log icon, title, and subtitle. Create an email text field with a leading icon. Set the email keyboard type using keyboard options. Build a secure password date field. Add a password visibility toggle using a trailing icon. Use password visual transformation to hide password text. Create a phone number text field with the phone keyboard type. Customize the outlined text field border and cursor colors. Add a Remember Me checkbox with a Forgot Password action. Design a premium Material 3 sign-in button. Add a horizontal divider inside a row. Create a Continue with Google button using outlined button. Run the app and test all login TextField components. Quick tip: you now know how to build a modern login form using Material TextField components. See you in the next Jetpack Compose tutorial.